but his birthday is over. So what we got here is a strange identity. Do you know what is here? It's a thunderstorm. You need to help us out, guys. See this. It's a big thunderstorm, and here too. See the leaves dropping and the plants are all getting wet. See the little blooms there? They're blooming away. See the plants over there. So, catch up to my vlog. And here is my mama. And I gotta help her every day. And this is Epekto.
That's not doing how you do.
And
The phone will shake.
we got our identity to be a grown-up now. We can handle the TVs. We can handle the balloons. We can handle toys and pens and markers.